Kelly B coming at you with another video, y'all. Man, I hope everybody's doing well. Everybody had a blessed day, man. But today, man, I got a nice little installation for you on cone. I thought I was done with it, but I got something else going on here. Man, I want to thank two companies for making this happen. Custom Dynamics, man, the best lights in the business, y'all. The best light. You see that, the 20th anniversary Custom Dynamic shirt right here, baby. But yeah, Custom Dynamic lights. And I want to thank another company, that's Memphis Shade. Yes, man, if you caught my earlier videos, when I first got cone, I used to rock Memphis Shade 10-inch windshield. But today, y'all, I'm gonna be installing the 5-inch dark smoke windshield from Memphis Shade, and I'm gonna be installing the Custom Dynamic trim lights for the windshield, y'all. So yeah, and this is the windshield by Memphis Shade. So yeah, man, this is not gonna be an installation video. It's plenty of things on the website that will show you how to do this. You can go to YouTube and find it, man. You got your 4 bolts right here. You got 2 here, 2 over there. Pop this off, the windshield trim, and pop the vent. That's gonna be it. Your light connections are right here, so you don't even have to pull a fairing off at all. You don't have to pull a fairing off because the light connection, one here and one on the other side. But yeah, but we're gonna get this video started. And man, hey, don't blink your eyes, man, because 2 minutes, no, not 2 minutes, y'all. 2 seconds. I told you if you blink your eyes, you were gonna miss it, man. But yeah, we got it on here. Look at it, y'all. Look at the lights, man. All Custom Dynamic lights right here. Even on the fork lights right here, Custom Dynamics. All these beautiful lights. This is so that you can be seen on the highway. I definitely want to be seen. I want everybody to see me because I done had 2 buddies to get hit, and I definitely want to be seen out here. And Custom Dynamics are the best lights in the business, and they doing a thing with it. Man, I want to thank Memphis Shades for sending over the windshield. I really appreciate them working with me this year. Them and Custom Dynamics sending me these over. I really appreciate it, man. But man, tell me what you think about it. It looks great. I love the look of cone, y'all. It's a very nice looking bike, man. I have put my own touches on this bike, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful that I was able to do it with the help of others, man. You always got to have others to help you out sometimes. But man, that's gonna be it, man. I just wanted to show you this. But man, till next time, baby. The next grind, baby. Y'all already know. My big truck drivers, I love you, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Y'all have a blessed day and have a happy holidays, man. I'm out. Peace.